seeing homes sell for 30+% above list price, and list price being based on market value or what we believe market value would be for that neighborhood. Hey friends, what's happening? Dallas-Fort Worth real estate market as we wrap up March 2022. We're going to touch on that, and I am getting a lot of questions regarding interest rate as it's going up. What's that going to do to the market? It's going to cause the market to crash. Our price is going to go down. So we're going to touch on that. First, I'm David Russell with the Russell team. Thank you for watching this brief video in this video series about buying, selling, and owning real estate. If we can help you, call, text, or email us. We're here to help. All right, so what's happening in the market? It is still smoking hot. I read an article recently that the Dallas-Fort Worth area has appreciated in value over 20% in the last year, which I'm seeing that. A couple weeks ago, I put a video out talking about what we anticipate happening this year, and we're actually surpassing what my projection was in the mid-15 range, up to 20% increase is what I expected to happen this year, and I'm seeing homes sell for 30+% above list price, and list price being based on market value or what we believe market value would be for that neighborhood. So it is just unbelievable what's happening. Very hard out there for sellers right now. Buyers. Very easy for sellers. Very hard for buyers to get a house. You have to be willing to pay anywhere from 20 to 30% or more above list price to get the house. So let's talk about the number one question I'm getting recently is what's going to happen to the housing market with the interest rate going up? Well, there's a link here in this video somewhere to an article from KCM, which is a real estate publication, and they're referencing an article from Freddie Mac talking about the impact of rising interest rates on home prices. But basically, the gist of it is that over the last 30 years, there have been 6 occasions where the interest rate has gone up 1% or greater in 1 year, and home prices did not decline. Home prices actually went up 2% up to 13%. You see that here, 2 to 13%. It's in the link down below, like I mentioned. But home values went up 2 to 13%, while interest rates increased anywhere from 1.06 to 2.38%. So in 1993, there was a 2.38% increase in interest rate. Home values still went up 3%. So there is not an expectation on the economic side, on the realtor side, that interest rates are going to drive values down. The only thing that will drive values down is a lack of demand. When demand declines, values will decline because sellers will have to reduce price to get their home sold, to bring the buyers in. And there is no projection of that happening anytime this year, anytime next year. So unless there is a catastrophic global economic event, there's no anticipation that the values are going to drop significantly or that demand in the North Texas area will drop significantly. So for those of you that are out trying to time the market or pulling back, saying we'll wait for prices to go down, you might wait the rest of your life. It's just the truth. I've had at least a half a dozen clients over the last year that have pulled back from the market, said they wanted to wait till the prices declined. They were banking on prices declining this year. And unfortunately for them, the product they were looking at last year is now outside of their capabilities. So they have had to step down in the product that they're looking at because prices have gone up that much. And with what we're anticipating this year, with the 20% plus anticipation of appreciation, that's on a $400,000 house. That's $80,000. That's a lot of money. And for someone who's looking at $400,000 today, that means next year you're looking at $400,000 house was this year a $300,000 house, a $325,000 house. So it is in my opinion, incumbent, if you want to buy a house, you're going to want to get into it sooner than later, or you're going to significantly be stepping down in the product that you want to buy, and or you're going to be driving really far because you have to go out to the outlying areas. On the outside of McKinney, up in Princeton, they're selling houses still, taking orders. Out near Greenville, you have to go out near west of Fort Worth. You have to go up west of Denton, out into the edge of the Metroplex, so to speak. So there you go. That's my take. If there's anything I can do for you, please call, text, or email me. My name is David Russell. I'm here to help. Have a great day.